Hi, you are watching Best Pressure Washer for Cars Reviews. Number 1, Sunjoe Electric Pressure Washer. Powerful, 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 size/1.76 GPM, for maximum cleaning power and water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Versatile, tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. With two 0.9 onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent, to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. TSS, Total Stop System, automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Pressure, max rating per CSA test standards. Maximum internal pressure is 2030 psi. Under typical load, working pressure is 1450 psi. Number 2, Greenworks Pressure Washer. Makes less noise than gas, making ideal for neighborhoods or residential complexes. 1700 psi at 1.2 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability during use. Includes a 25° and 40° quick connect tip for variety of cleaning applications. 20 feet high pressure hose with reel for greater reach and easy storage. Soap applicator to apply soap to completely clean any surface. 35 feet power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. Number 3, Stanley Pressure Washer. The specially designed detergent bottle doubles as a high-pressure foamer to get tough stuff loose or remove deep-down stains. Perfect for siding, decks, cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs, garbage cans, animal cages and more. Professional-grade brass garden hose connector and 22mm connections. The connection of choice for professional-level accessories. Pressure washer gun, pressure washer wand, 25-foot high-pressure hose, foam cannon detergent tank, 4 quick connect nozzles and O-ring replacement kit. Number 4, Generac SpeedWash Pressure Washer. Clean smarter. Clean up to 50% faster. Power dial ergonomic spray gun allows you to easily adjust the pressure needed between 4 different tasks, car, wood, concrete and soap, at your fingertips. Attachments included, turbo nozzle removes dirt and grime 30% faster, soap blaster sprays soap 3x further and power broom, for faster cleaning. Generac 196cc OHV engine delivers maximum cleaning performance. Starting type, manual recoil. Number 5, Sunjoe Electric. Powerful motor, 13 amp/2,000W brushless induction motor blasts away the most stubborn dirt, tar, mud, and other caked-on gunk plus grime with 2300 psi of stripping power, and wash it all away with a 148 GPM flow. Detergent dial, adjustable detergent dial lets you dial in just the right amount of soap, from the 46 fluid ounce onboard detergent tank. Quick connect spray tips, tailor your spray, with the onboard 5 quick connect spray tips. Choose between 0, 15, 25, 40, and soap, for light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.